Hello everyone, this is Jason here with MarineMax in Dallas, Texas, and today I'm standing on a fresh trade-in. It is a 2021 Silverwave 2410. As you can see throughout the boat here, it has been decked out for an awesome day on the water. It has a wet sound stereo system throughout the boat with RGB lighting, not to mention 4 additional tower speakers with lighting as well. Moving our way to the captain's area here, it has everything that you need right here, right in front of you. Garmin screen, GPS, all the switches, couple cup holders, nice comfortable seats. One of my favorite things on the boats are these loungers. They are a flip-flop style lounger, so you can sit forward or you can actually lay back and watch the sunset or watch everybody ski and tube. Last but not least is the big Yamaha 300 4-stroke, so plenty of power out on this boat today. Again, my name is Jason here with MarineMax in Dallas, Texas. Shoot us a call. Thank you.